I told sis, I was like, you know what, sis, sometimes when we want to try something, sis would be like, I'll just make it for you. You know what I'm saying? I'll be like, dang. But every now and then I'll be like, man, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to make it myself. Cause sis can't be making everything that that's natural here. She can't make it all for it. I mean, she can, cause she knows how to do it all. You hear me? But this is the job for me. So I'm finna make some green pepper dipping sauce, whatever you want to call it. Stay tuned. What's up, y'all? So since being here in Ghana, I've really come to enjoy green pepper, right? So it's like some of the restaurants you can go to, and they got this green pepper that you can. Well, I dip my chips in there, rice, chicken, whatever. I dip it in the green pepper sauce. Uh, I think it's got little onions in it and some oil. But since I like it so much, instead of always waiting to go to a restaurant, that's out. So I asked sis, I asked my sis Sabina, because she got nayin. Like, is there a way that we can make it? So she was like, yeah. I'm gonna show you. So she showed me the first time, and I ran through that, y'all. I ran through that. Now it's time to make it myself. Cause I told sis, I was like, you know what, sis, sometimes when we want to try something, sis would be like, I'll just make it for you. You know what I'm saying? I'll be like, dang. But every now and then I'll be like, man, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try to make it myself. Cause sis can't be making everything that that's natural here. She can't make it all for it. I mean, she can, cause she knows how to do it all. You hear me? But this is the job for me. So I'm finna make some green pepper dipping sauce, whatever you want to call it. All right, here's the green pepper. Finna clean them and get these stems off. Get these little stems off and clean them, and we'll get the process started. Peppers cleaned and picked. I asked them to add a few of these little red ones in there too for a little color. Peppers and an onion. As y'all can see, I be struggling. So sis be like, move. Get out the way. I'm gonna do it. But it's not completely green, y'all, because it's mixed in with the red pepper. Just wanted to mix some red with the green. But as you see, the mortar and pestle, making it real fine. I'm telling y'all, teamwork make the dream work when you're trying to grind green pepper in the mortar and pestle. I mean, whew, I couldn't do it alone, y'all. Couldn't do it alone. Last batch, y'all. The last batch. You said what do y'all call this? The mortar and pestle? Y'all heard it. Yes, for anybody out there that thinks that using mortar and pestle to grind some green pepper or anything for that matter, it's a skill, y'all. It's not something that you can just I can do it. And no, you're not from here. No, it's a skill. It really takes some time to actually get the rhythm down, So just be working with me, man. I'm a slow learner, but this is gonna be good as an extra side or toppings on some stuff. So yeah, green pepper, y'all, Ghana style. This was well made too.
They have it in sizes. I got smaller one because just for person when you're gonna be bigger, but there are bigger ones.
Yeah.
So those would be like the commercial ones.
For the chop bar.
Yeah, they have way bigger.
All right, y'all. The processing of it is done. I like to bring mine out just a little bit. Let some of that juice flow out. Let some of that good juice flow out. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it. But for the most part, that's it, y'all. So you take your green peppers, peel the stems, wash them good. Then you take your onion, peel your onion, you grind it all in there together. But yeah, like I said, I put these on my yam chips, fried yam chips, or potato. I was gonna say potato chips, but French fries. In the States we call them French fries, but here we call them chips. Some chicken. What else have I ate this on? Rice. Some fried rice. When I just want some extra spicy fried rice. Yeah. Here's the little container that I'm putting it in. As you can see the red from the red peppers in there. It's red. I see a hint of red onion, green pepper, red pepper. Okay, just a small container, y'all. So I'm gonna put the rest of this in there. Last but not least, I got to clean that out. The mortar and pestle. Clean that, set that in the sink to be cleaned. Alright, y'all. I'm finna mix this in and mix me a little bit of oil, and in the refrigerator it goes. Alright, y'all, that was pretty much it. Green pepper, Ghana style. Peace.